I'm going to step you through the out-of-box experience for the Blackberry Torch. The initial experience for any device or service is actually really critical to people's perception of the product that they're purchasing. So what I wanted to do is kind of step through that experience for this device. After it goes through its boot sequence, we're going to see a little video, which you'll notice is stalling here, that gives us the BlackBerry tagline, which is "Love what you do," and then hopefully I'm going to be able to dive right into the device and start playing with it. But unfortunately, instead, what they present me with is a legal agreement. So I need to scroll through this agreement and tap OK. This is a touch device, so tapping should work, but you can see I'm having to tap multiple times here. It does go through, and after I get past that, I do not see the home screen. I see a dialog that's letting me know that I'm going to watch a video next. Not sure why they don't just show me the video. So here comes the video. It's actually really nice. You notice it's showing a little ghosted hand, and it's going to really educate me about how to interact with the device and some of the features. I'm going to zip through this fairly quickly because it's pretty thorough and takes a while to go through. There's this really funny point in the middle, though, that I wanted to point out where you kind of get this meta view of a device inside of a device. I thought that was kind of funny. But anyway, we'll get through the rest of this video, and then hopefully we're going to see the home screen. But no, instead what we see is the setup screen. Not super exciting. I really want to play with the device, and I don't want to have to do a bunch of configuration. And this really doesn't look like the touch UI that I just saw in the video. You'll notice also there's some quirkiness in the touch UI itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit setup. And okay, so it's still not letting me at the home screen. It's letting me know, hey, I'm about to exit setup. Okay, I know that. Click exit. Now I'm on the home screen. I'm several minutes into this, and I'm finally getting to dive in. One of the first things I want to do is I'm going to check out the apps, and I kind of want to play around with an app. There's CNN there, and that's a pretty good app. So I'm going to go ahead and launch it. We should be playing with that any second here. Looks like it's going to sort of load up. And okay, so we're not seeing the app. We're actually seeing yet another license agreement. I guess this one is slightly different. So I need to scroll down and tap I agree. That worked the first time, so that's good, I guess. And I should see the app. Okay, so no, I'm still not seeing the app. Looks like just because there's a tile there doesn't mean I actually have the app on the device. So that's pretty misleading. So I need to download the application. I'm waiting for that to finish up, but I'm sure once that's done, I'm going to be diving into CNN and reading headlines and doing all sorts of cool stuff. Okay, so we're done. I'm going to tap OK. Here it comes. The app should be here any second. And no, instead what I'm getting is a success message telling me that I need to go find the app. So I'm going back now. I'm actually kind of confused. I'm going to just go to the home screen and have a look around. Sort of tired of that, you know. I'm just going to, let me download another app. No, okay, so I can't download another app yet. I have now the third license agreement to agree to. And then something weird happens here. You'll notice that there's some problem with the touch, and there's actually a pretty significant bug with the touch UI on this device. So you can actually fix this bug by taking the battery out and putting the battery back in, but apparently it comes back periodically. I pretty much can't accept the terms of the agreement. So now I'm going to go call tech support. Okay, so I've got the dialer up here, and I'm going to dial 1 and 6. Okay, and then something weird happened there. I got a 3 instead of a 6. So I'm going to slow this down. I'm trying 6, and I'm getting 3. I'm going to tap a little lower each time to see if I can get a 6. Okay, now I'm getting 9. Can't get that 6. I'm getting 3s and 9s. Let me try the 5 next. Okay, 5's giving me 2s and 8s. Well, so much for calling tech support. Unfortunately, the out-of-the-box experience for the Blackberry Torch is not great, but it's a really good example of why you need to pay attention to these sorts of things and make sure that your user is having the best experience they can possibly have right out of the gate. Thanks for watching.